Hello teachers, in this video I'll be introducing you to Moodle. We'll just log into Moodle. Once you log into Moodle, you will be in the dashboard where when you go to courses, you can see the courses assigned to you. You can also view the courses at the left under My Courses, and other options are also visible here: calendar, private files. And in case if you don't want to see these options, you can just click on this icon in the top left corner so that these options gets hidden. If you want to view them, just click on this icon and then they'll be visible. Okay, we'll go to calendar. You'll be able to view the calendar of current month, the previous month, as well as the next month. Just click on that month and you'll be able to view the calendar of next month. And if you want to create an event, just click on this new event button and then give a title over there. And select the date, and you can assign this event to a course. Just search for the course by typing in the name, select the course and then click on save. You can see that an event is created on November 9th, as we chose the date November 9th, and other events are also created on 5th, 12th and 25th of November. You can see that as these events are created in the month of November on these dates, on the calendar at the right, those dates are highlighted. This can be used as a reminder regarding the task that you need to complete, or for tracking the task that you have to complete. And if you want to delete these events, just click on that event and click on delete. If you want to edit it, just click on those event and then you can click on edit and then edit the title, the date and the course. When you click on edit, you'll get the option to change the name of the title, change the date and the course as well. So we'll just go ahead and delete them. This can be used as a reminder regarding the task that you have to do, as well as a notification regarding the task you have completed. Next, we'll go to the private files folder. Private files folder is where you can upload files and which is completely private. Only you've got access to these files. The teachers and other students will not have access to these files. So to upload files, just click on this add button here. You can also drag and drop files and click on upload a file and then choose the file and then select the file. And then upload this file and click on save changes. So these files are uploaded. And next, if you want to reset your password, you can just click on this option in the top right corner and click on profile to view your profile. So this is your profile and you can see the login activity when you accessed to the site and when you accessed it lastly. And then if you want to change the password, please click on the icon at the top right corner and then click on preferences and you will have the option to change the password. Next, we'll go to the courses. You can click on the courses listed below My Courses and you can see that the courses are arranged in a week format. If you want to see the participants enrolled into this particular course, you can just click on participants here and you'll be able to see the students enrolled to your class. And if you want to remove a student from your class, like if the student is not attending your class, you can just select that student and then click on unenroll icon. The student can be unenrolled. And if you want to enroll a student, just click on enroll users button and then search for the student number. Select the student and then click on enroll users. You can also enroll a teacher. You just have to search the teacher with the name. And then assign the role non-editing teacher and then click on enroll users. And if you want to upload a file, you can select the week that you want to upload the file for. And then click on this settings icon at the top right corner and then click on turn editing on option, which will enable you to add an activity or resource for that particular week. You can see that the files are already uploaded for all these weeks. And if you want to upload a file for this particular week, click on this add an activity or resource, where you can add the activities listed here. You can add an assignment, you can add a multiple choice question, you can add a quiz, and you can also add resources like book. You can add a file. You can just select the option file and then click on add, then give a name for the file. Give a description about it and then click on this add button. Then select the option upload a file and then choose the file. When you choose the file, make sure that the file name is in English. It should not have special characters or Arabic characters. Make sure that the file name of the file that you want to upload should be in English. It should have only English alphabets. And then you can click on this upload this file. When you upload this file, you'll be able to see that file displayed in that particular week. I've not uploaded the file now, but still when it's uploaded, you will be able to see that file uploaded. You'll be able to see the files as it is displayed here. And in case if you want to hide that particular week from students, just click on this edit option and click on hide week. So this particular week is hidden from the students. You can also delete that particular week. For example, from 20th October to 26th October, it was a midterm holiday. If you want, you can delete that particular week because it was off for the students. And you can also add an announcement. Just click on this pencil icon here and you can give them an announcement that chemistry test November 5th. You can add an announcement here. Sorry. So this is how you can create an announcement so that the students will be able to see this announcement. So that's all about Moodle. Thank you for watching this video.